Hey guys, welcome back to Carey Digital, where I teach you how to create, connect, and earn in the digital space. So this channel is for my side hustlers and my small business owners. I pretty much teach you or give you tips, advice, strategies on how to really leverage the digital space to build your online presence, grow your online presence. I share tutorials like Canva tutorials. I share digital tools that can help you to be more productive and enhance your life overall. And every now and then, I share my career journey and how I really got started in the digital space and why I love it so much. But this week, I'll be doing a Canva review. I'll be doing a review of Canva Desktop. No, listen, I am a Canva lover, and I'm also excited to share that I was recently notified that I'm a Canva certified creative. Oh my God. This is a big news for me. I'm really excited about it. I've been using Canva since 2015, 2016 thereabouts. And so I'm really excited about it. And there's a lot of perks that comes with it. And I'll be sharing that in another video. So you want to stay tuned for that. But for right now, I'll be sharing my review of Canva Desktop. So if you know, Canva is an online tool, graphic designing tool for persons with little to no graphic designing background. So you can just imagine for persons who have a lot of graphic designing background, they just might love it way more, or maybe they don't love it so much based on just preferences overall. But yeah, so because I'm a lover of it and I have graphic designing background, I was just really ecstatic to know that Canva recently launched the desktop version, and I'll be just doing a review, doing some graphics, and just giving my honest review overall in terms of, is it a hit or miss, and just suggestions or features I'd really like to see in the desktop version. So if that's something you really want to see, you would definitely want to stick around. So hey guys, we're going to do a download. So I'm going to go through how to download Canva for desktop and just go through like a quick basic graphic design just to see how different the features are and how it works pretty much, if it is a hit or a miss. All right, so if you want to download Canva for desktop, you'd have to go to canva.com/downloads. All right, based on the type of device you have. So what I realized is that it will just automatically switch to Windows. I'm going to show you what I mean here. Look in this section. All right. It automatically switches to Windows. All right. And it's available for both Windows and a Mac. So I'm going to go to start download here. I've already downloaded the app, so I won't be going through that again. I'll just cancel here. At my lower tab, you'll realize that I have Canva for desktop. But what is really good is that it gives you just a quick, you know, info in terms of how to download Canva. All right, so I have the app here and the interface looks pretty much the same, right? So you can select your home. So you're seeing all the interface, right? You're seeing the templates that is available. You're seeing your own designs and you're seeing same old features, as I can say. On the left hand tab, you have the section for all designs, you have the section for apps, you have the section for brand kit, and so on and so forth. Again, the features that you see will be based on if you have Canva Free or Canva Pro. So what I want to say to you with the Canva desktop, what you'll realize is that it gives you that ability or that flexibility, I should say. You don't necessarily have to go online and type in canva.com all the time you need to use it. It's already on your desktop. But what is key to note is that you must have a good internet connection. If you don't have internet connection, it won't work, right? So it's not a case where it's a standalone software that can be utilized without the internet. When Canva gets to that point, then that's a whole different level, right? But for right now, you definitely have to get connected and stay connected to your internet. So with this, what we're seeing here, I'm just going to go and create just a basic graphic but before I do that, just looking at the interface, it's not very different, but there are few differences. So the top right hand corner, you see the home tab, right? On the Canva Online, right, you'd actually see the create design more to the right hand side, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So I'm going to go here, canva.com. And already we're seeing just a slight difference in features. You're seeing the recommended for you. You're also seeing the creator design, which is at the top right, and you're seeing the profile pic. But these are very minor differences, right? It's a kind of situation you can give and take. It doesn't take away anything from the Canva experience, I would say. All right, so I'm going back here. So I'm going to use one of the recommended designs, use a Canva post, and I'm going to use a template just to see if all the features are there that I am pretty much used to. So if you're quite familiar with Canva, what you'll realize is that on this tab, you normally see file and home, where you could easily click and go back home. However, it's here at the above the blue bar, I should say, and it's you see a home icon. You click it and it takes you right back home. If you go back home and you need to find your designs, you can either go to your designs or you can go to the tab that says Untitled Design for me in this case. All right. So I just need to choose a template. The good thing about Canva is that there's always so many templates you can pick, choose, and refuse, you know. So that's a template. So I have Canva Pro, if I didn't mention before. So a lot of these features, I am seeing them. I'm seeing the animate feature, I'm seeing the effects feature, I'm seeing the filter feature, I'm seeing the adjust, the crop, the flip. All the features I am quite familiar with on the online version is here, right? So we have the photo tabs, elements, text, videos, background, folders, and pretty much it's still the drag and drop style. So yeah, let us just do a quick edit. All right, I'm gonna ungroup quickly. We see that feature is there. I can delete this. So we're seeing again the features for Canva Desktop. There's no difference, no major difference. It doesn't feel foreign. It feels just like how you're used to. All right. So I'm gonna just click here, make my feature bold. What I'm gonna do is just to delete this photo, and I'm just gonna try and find a photo, drag and drop. If you're familiar with Canva, you know that I could use a photo element or photo grid, but I didn't do that in this case. I'm going to make this transparent. I'm going to change the color of my text, right? And again, I am also seeing one of the features that I use very frequently is the fact that I have uploaded my personal color palettes, and I'm seeing it here on the desktop version. So again, this is just so amazing because again, there no major difference. All right, I'm going to just do an animate, and voila, it's there. I can view it, it's there again. What else do I want to try? Guys, if there's anything you want me to try or a tutorial you'd want me to do using Canva Desktop, definitely comment below and let me know what you'd like to see me talk about in terms of the Canva download desktop version, because already I'm seeing everything to be just the same. So I've done the animate, right? We already have that feature, which works very good. I already changed the background. I changed the color of the text. And let me just do one thing and try videos. All right, let me do a copy. We see that here. There's a feature on Canva that I'm not sure if you guys are aware of, but you can also put comments. So if you want to make a comment, I can say, Carey, change this photo. Right? Again, that feature is there, very flexible. You can change the title of the page, social media, graphic one. So these are some pretty good stuff. And let me just delete this because we're going to try out the video feature. And let me do a search, floral. And yeah, it's there, works perfectly, you know. We can make some changes. We can do some adjustments. We can, it's working just as how I expect it to work, really and truly. I'm just glad that Canva has just been evolving. I am a person who loves technology. I love to see changes and growth. My desktop is dying, but my laptop is dying. But overall, guys, the feature is amazing. I really love it. If there's anything you'd like me to share more on in terms of Canva for desktop, definitely comment below. And yeah, I'll create it just for you. Until next time, bye.